Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we're chatting about the brand new Camo Luxe Collection from Bobbi Brown and also their Luxe Matte Lip Colors. First off, we have the Camo Luxe Collection's Camo Luxe Eye and Cheek Palette. It's basically putting a modern spin on iconic camo. This packaging is so cute. When I saw it, I just about died because it's like the cutest little thing, especially for all of my camo lovers out there. And when you open up the palette, you actually get a really nice variety of shades and products. There are actually 6 different eyeshadows in here, so you get some mattes in here, and the mattes are really nice and pigmented. I always find that mattes are harder to swatch, so when mattes swatch well, it really gives me high hopes for the shadows. Like, look how beautiful that is. It's swatching so opaque, so creamy, and you can just tell that it's going to blend out really nicely on top of the eyes. This is one of the shimmer shades that I just died for. It is so beautiful. I think it'd be so perfect for a smoky eye to really give it that like glitz and glamour, but still have that dark and edgy look. I love that you do get those different formulas. So like I said, you get matte, but then you also get some sparkle shadows and then a metallic shadow in there as well. So this is one of the more sparkle shadows. Again, such a pretty formula, and I think that the palette shades are very cohesive with one another. Moving on, you also have a light reflective highlighting powder in here, which is so pretty. Well, first of all, it has a nice little design in here. It almost looks kind of camo-esque. It has like a little swirl pattern, but the powder itself is so beautiful if you're looking for a radiant sheen. This is what it looks like on the skin, and you can just tell that it's going to blend out super easily and add the perfect golden touch to your cheekbones. And there are also a couple other products inside of this collection. There's some new nail polishes and also some new gel liners. And if you haven't tried the Bobbi Brown gel liners, they are amazing. They're really, really good quality, and these are some nice, pretty shades. So we have Cypress Ink and Forest Shimmer Ink, so a little different than your average black. Now moving on to our lippy collections, we have some of Bobbi Brown's brand new Luxe Matte Lippies, and basically, you guys know this is like one of their best-selling products, their Luxe Lip Color, and it really is like an iconic product for Bobbi Brown. And whenever I think of Bobbi Brown, I honestly do think of like their lip products because they're such a good formula. Very moisturizing on the lips, lasts a long time and everything like that. But now they have introduced a new formula. So this is their Luxe Matte Lip Color. I really like the packaging, how it's similar to the original Luxe Lip Color, but it has almost more of like a brushed metal look to it. So you can tell from the outside packaging which one is their original formula and which one is the matte formula. I really, really appreciate that. But not only is the packaging beautiful, honestly the formula is amazing as well. It's very smooth on the lips, comfortable to wear. I'm wearing one of the shades right now. I'm wearing Plum Noir, and it really is comfortable to wear. It actually has oil-infused powder pigments to make sure that your lips stay matte and not dry. Those pure matte powder pigments are doing their job. And on top of that, they are full coverage lipsticks with, like I said, comfortable, lightweight wear time, and they are supposed to stay on your lips for 12 hours with that same high impact color, and they actually are available in 18 shades. So we have a couple here to show you guys today, but you have a wide range to choose from. My favorite shade is probably either Plum Noir or Red Carpet. So Plum Noir is the one that I have on my lips right now, but Red Carpet is just your perfect classic red. And I feel like whenever I'm looking for a matte red lipstick, I'm looking for something that is going to be comfortable to wear, but also stay on my lips a long time, and this is just that. It's going to look so pretty with like a wing liner or even like a bronze shimmery eye. I think this is going to be a go-to for me starting off now. So tell us what your favorite color is down in the comment section below, and you can always shop Bobbi Brown's classic beauty staples and get cash back on IPSY Shopper. Now let's take a sneak peek at the September Glam Bag. There are some seriously amazing products that you might be getting in yours, and first off, can we just talk about the bag? It's so cute. It has these little lashes, black and gold. It's like the cutest little thing. The first product that I wanted to mention is Benefit's Hula Bronzer. This is a cult favorite, and for good reason. It is such a great bronzer color because it has this nice neutral undertone, so tons of different skin tones can use this bronzer, and because it is matte, you can actually use it as a contour or an all-over bronze, and it blends out super nice and easily with either one of those. So I might be getting that guy. I'm really, really excited for that. The next product is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Perfector. This stuff is amazing because it provides light coverage. So this is not like a full coverage foundation, but it does provide very, very light coverage to just kind of even out the skin tone on days when maybe you're going for like a no makeup makeup look or you're just going out to run some errands, this is great because it is going to lightly perfect your skin. And lastly, the product that I'm actually wearing on my lips right now is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Babe Alert. This may be in your glam bag as well, and if you have not tried the Smashbox liquid lipsticks, they are incredible. They have such a great, nice, comfortable, lightweight formula, never dries out my lips, and it really is something that you have to try. So those are some of my favorite products that I'm really excited for you guys to try out, and let us know what you think down in the comment section if you do. That's all we have time for today, but thank you so much for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. I'm Roxette Arisa, and we'll see you next time.